Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do this makeup look. Basically this is the eye makeup that I have worn for one of my foundation review, and you guys said it was looking so nice. So if you want to know how I've created this look, then keep on watching. So I just washed my face. So for moisturizer I am going to take this Lotus moisturizer. This is having SPF of 25 I think, and after washing my face I am going to apply it on my face, and I am going to distribute the moisturizer all over my face nicely. And this is a very good moisturizer, and this has SPF and it is good for oily skin. It is not too much oily and very light also. Next, till the time my moisturizer dries, I'm going to take this brow pencil, one from NYX and another from Colorbar, and meantime I'm doing my brows off camera. So for my primer I'm going to use this L'Oreal Beige Magique and prime my face. And for foundation I'm going to use this Makeup Forever foundation. This is the Makeup Forever HD foundation. The details of all the products will be there in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And yeah, I am applying this foundation on all over my face, and then taking the beauty blender I am going to spread the product nicely and to get a very even face. For my concealer I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer and going to apply it on usual areas of my face, and same using the pointed end of the beauty blender I'm going to blend everything. So I'm going little bit fast forwarding in this portion because we are not much concentrating on the face makeup. We are more concentrating on the eye makeup. So this portion is nothing special, it's the usual one only. So here I am taking this Makeup Forever HD powder, loose powder, and setting my under eyes. And for my full face I am going to use this L'Oreal Infallible powder and set my cream foundation. Next I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. So before starting my eye makeup I'm going to use a primer as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever primer. This gives a very beautiful base for my eyeshadow, and it dries up very fast also. And in a patting motion I set the cream, and then I use some powder to set. So today the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use is from Wet n Wild, and this is a 500 rupees eyeshadow palette. This is this is called Comfort Zone. It has a very beautiful green in it. So using the lighter transition shade, which is an orangey kind of transition shade, using a fluffy brush I am going to apply it in my crease in a windshield wiper motion, like a semicircle. I am going to apply the lighter warm transition shade for both of my eyes. That gives a very beautiful transition. Next I am taking this darker plummy transition shade, and I am taking it in a flat brush so that this time the powder does not spread much. Instead of that, it should give a depth in it. You can see it is making a beautiful curvy semicircle line, and this defines the depth of my eyes. And then taking this beautiful green shimmery shade. This looks very shimmery, but it's not so shimmery, like, you know, if I apply, you can see it does not look so shimmery, but it is quite pigmented. So before applying it, make sure to dust off the excess. So what I'm going to do, I'm slowly building the color, and this time I'm going to apply it from the middle portion of my eyelid to the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm not going to the inner corner of my eyelid. The inner corner I'm going to put a lighter shade. So I'm mostly concentrating on the outer corner till the middle portion of my eyelid. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the edges of the darker shade. So yeah, so I apply the green shade till my crease, and then when I move to the crease using a blending brush, the brush was not having any product, it was an empty brush. I just blended the edges so that the green and the transition shade, you know, they blends with each other. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. First I'm going to put the green product below my crease line wherever I have marked the crease line, and also I am making a, you know, wing effect at the outer corner of my eyes, as you can see. And then I am using a fluffy brush which is not having any more product, and then blend both the brown and the green so that they don't look like they are totally two different colors staying apart from each other, so that they looks more blended together. Next, using a flat brush, I'm going to use this white shimmery shadow and apply it on the inner corner of my eye wherever I've kept a gap. So you can see the white and the green, they are not at all blending each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the brush having the green, and very light-handed I'm going to blend the white and the green. Like, I'm not putting much extra pressure or trying to put any more green color, just I'm going to blend the white and the green. See, this is how it looks. This gives a very beautiful effect, like, you know, from white to green, and then in the eye is having a transition of brown. So this is how it looks. Now to intensify the green furthermore, I'm going to take the lighter green shadow from the palette and, you know, dab it on the centers of my eyelids using my fingers. And same thing, I'm going to take the same brush having the green color and blend this one also nicely. So this is going to, you know, increase the intensity of green because this is quite lighter green. And yeah, here actually you have to make sure you blend everything nicely. We have used a lot of colors and all the colors should be blended with each other. Next, I am going to take the deeper shadow for my lower lash line, and using a flat brush I am going to apply the plummy darker shade to my lower lash line. And then taking the same brush, I am going to take the deep green shadow and apply it close to my lash line. Next, I am going to take this Nykaa Kajal and, you know, tight line my upper and lower lash line. Basically, I am making lines very close to my lash line. Next, I am going to make a wing. So for that, I am going to use this Maybelline Eye Studio. Basically, this is a gel liner in the shade Blackest Black. So yeah, I'm going to make wing, and I'm making sure the wing is not much thick, like I don't want to cover the green shadow. Next, I have seen like one of the wing was quite big, so I have used my concealer brush and, you know, clean the wing. Next, for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline the Magnum Barbie mascara and apply a couple of coats of it so that I don't have to use a false lash. Next, to bronze my face, I've used this L'Oreal Glam bronze, and yeah, I have applied this bronzer on my cheekbones, little bit on my forehead, and then taking a flat brush, I think that is from Wet n Wild, I have contoured my nose also. Next, moving on for my cheeks, I have used the blush, this color from the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, and applied it on the apples of my cheeks, very light-handed. And taking the highlighter from the L'Oreal Glam bronze, I have highlighted my cheekbones. Here I have not I don't want the attention to be going to the highlighter or cheeks or anything, so those things are minimal. So nothing blinding highlighter I have used. So the highlighter used in the usual areas, my cheekbones, nose, and slightly under my brows. Next, for lipstick, I have used the Chambor lipstick in the number 169. This is a Chambor powder matte lipstick, number 169, saddle brown. Yeah, and yeah, it's a very beautiful brown color, and that's the finished look. On Monday's video, I have used a different foundation. I have used the foundation from LA Girl Pro HD Matte Foundation. I think, yeah, but this today I did not use. I actually forgot to use that, but yeah, this is how I have mostly concentrated on the eye makeup only, but the eye makeup was exactly the same. And yeah, this is how I have created this look. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. If you have this 500 rupees Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, or maybe any other eyeshadow palette having those color combination, so don't forget to create this look. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video, that is on Monday. Till then, bye.